everyone. Today's recipe that I'm going to share with you is loved by all age groups and especially the kids. It's called spicy paneer wrap. So let's begin by preparing our paneer. But before that, kindly press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Now let's begin. Take paneer and cut it into pieces like this. In a bowl, take 4 spoons of Maida, two spoons of cornflour, along with this add Peri-Peri spice. It is easily available in the market these days. Add salt and chili flakes. Remember, we are making spicy paneer wrap, so chili has to be more. Now by adding water, make a batter out of this mixture. The batter should be of coating consistency. Take some breadcrumbs. Dip the paneer pieces into the batter. And then coat them with the breadcrumbs. Now repeat this process one more time. Now our paneer pieces are nicely coated and ready. Now we have to refrigerate the pieces for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we shall prepare the coleslaw. For this, add the shredded cabbage into a bowl. Sliced onions. Grated carrot. One tablespoon of mayonnaise and crushed black pepper. Mix them all well. Now our slaw is ready. After about 15 minutes, take out our paneer pieces from the refrigerator and shallow fry them in hot oil until crisp on all sides. Now our crispy paneer pieces are ready. Take them out in a plate and we will prepare our wrap. Now toast the tortilla on a tawa or a griddle. Now our tortilla is ready to be assembled. Add a few lettuce leaves. Place our paneer pieces on top of them. Add the coleslaw that we have prepared. Now add the hot garlic sauce. And the vinaigrette. And wrap up the tortilla. Our spicy paneer wrap is ready to be digged into. Please try it and leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.